All right. Cardell. Build a Lego set. Custom chaos. Wait.
My fanboys and fangirls.
There you go.
Guys been banned.
We're close to 11K. I think our swearing timer is up.
It is up.
Alright, here comes a spoonful of fucking Dassett. No? That's so cute. Oh yeah.
What I meant to do.
This is what it will look like. Wait, Demy, I'm looking. For supporting the channel. Why are the grippers down? Lawman, thank you for the follow. How many follows left till 11K? Holy shit. You heard my back crack. Bag number 3. Scully walked by. Fuck. This is what the Going Merry is gonna look like. Until the timer runs out. Alright, put this right here. What's gonna win? 10 seconds left. It is Guga.
And we always start.
Oh, my big fat gassy. I'm dead, Demy. Is you seeking out, Landy?
You find those on different maps.
Come here, double. Oh God. Also give them to my friends.
An amazing, wonderful.
You guys are joining me. Bye. This one, and then a third one. A little bit of. I reach at my limit. I'm like, nope. I'm going to bed.
A body pillow behind
Of Croc and Whiskey.
She's like an Ursula in the waters right now.
I'm thinking because we didn't get to play Repo yesterday. Chicken, baked chicken, stuff like that.
I'm just like, I'm watching you, Clark.
Well, hey, hell.
Basically gonna sit like this. Yeah, but Eddie probably doesn't know that. The dollar store Australian.
What?
Oh.
You have to power up the generators in the ocean.
Bob,
So you have to swim.
Jackbox with friends. Thank you. Thanks for your part. A bunch of anime stuff.
Good at being bored.
Okay, we're gonna go through it.
And I'll message Artie.
Inventory. One pillowcase.
That's like a timestamp.
Let's do this.
You were eeping Alethea. Hi, Alethea.
The closest get to yummy meat. The losers get also yummy. Can you give me a play-by-play?
God bless you.
Fuck.
I wonder if I can watch it again.
If we can, that's something we'll talk about later.
Ooh.
But maybe not that, like 100 maybe.
You know what, Maxwood?
The rest of this.
Alright, Justin. This is pretty good, but let's see what the next world.
Hi, Jen. Periodically. Oh, fuck. I'm a disgusting shit. And I can walk normally again. Oh, God. See if I can... over here. Yeah.
Not dead yet.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for joining me. Make friends, not met.
Bro, that fucking hell.
Oh!
You disgusting fucking creature.
Holy fuck.
I can hear you.
Bad. I'm bad at that one. I'm so bad at
What color do you want?
oh, yeah. So I'll let you press it.
In the wind.
Yeah, congratulations.
Time to meet her death.
You want to
I don't know how to play blackjack.
You're gonna do fine. You're gonna do fine.
I promise.
I'm literally the youngest one here, and yet I'm the adult.
Oh.
Land, bro. And...
Oh, yeah.
You know what?
Oh, God. My ass cheeks are ambidextrous. In time, I'm doing the 24-hour stream. 24-hour stream.
Into the frozen chamber. I would do that, man.
Nice.
Alright. Set up for Dead by Daylight. Burger. GG's. I'm so happy. My tummy kinda hurts. That's how the cake's gonna look. Ooh. Thick.
sick.
Hi, Apollo. Holy fuck. After 3 a.m. And then I can squeeze one more thing that day. Right at the end. Shit. So.
We are going to basically bleed. Run.
Somebody doesn't want to play too much.
Wrong people. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Your what?
My what? I got a motherfucking backpack. I can ride my sword.
Probably.
I would wrap that Labubu when you're here. Pass away, unfortunately. Huh? I don't have any more monster. Come on, tree guy.
I think we could do a poll for that too.
That's why it was so hard to read your messages.
I was like, what did we drag her away from that controller plugged in? Like, I wonder if it was like trying to connect or detect a controller.
Maybe I'm white. I'm also high.
Video cameras. I'm not starting this truck. Get back on the truck. We're gonna head out. Need to stream on Vroid. On stream.
20 minutes more, huh?
Yeah. Play another round of Mega Bonk, and then it'll pop up. Fucking idiot.
I still.
Breaking. This is awful. Here you go.
We gotta find the room.
Good morning,
And it is
hello
very
Jackson.
new,
Blah blah
Twist your
blah.
ankle.
Stick her stuff on one of them.
get me.
Marvel. Yeah.
But Apple, bro. Like, if you block somebody,
Demi-thon's going good.
If Demy can get her.
Hey, babe, when the underwear does.
Yeah.
You stitches, that's crazy.
why do you want to fuck my neck hole?
Shockwave mine? That's actually not bad.
I found my boy.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. Most of my friends are dead. Safer size. A bot joined our. Tables are on other tables, your issue.
Oh yeah, my color on here was
What is it again? Alright, listen, come drop that, dude. I need to hang that.
Come drop! We're not gonna buy anything.
purple, not the purple.
Purple.
For the update.
I forgot about that game.
That was interesting, but. Drunk Demi. I'm getting ready for our Uno collab. But I like the zombies. Oh, I said. Sento, I'm getting drunk.
Break your back, so. It stinks.
Someone who wants to play, so it's up to you.
Whoa!
Basketball.
Demy doesn't have red.
Dear best. Blue.
I don't want to do that to you.
Blue. Guys! What color does he have?
Anything
What?
but blue.
No, it's muff. God damn. That's cool.
Oh, so you can just you can hit. Okay, you're good. The food car.
How are you?
Oh, I just cornered myself. No.
Do you want a conveyor or how do you like it? Let's make a new set. Ooh, so thank you. Thank you. One more game. Hi Chainsaw, how you doing? Burp. I can push through. I've gotten a lot better about it. Awesome. Which is a problem? Gens. God damn. That is what? It's 175. Happen.
I guess technically I also have Roblox.
I already have like a style that I wanted. Fuck. I'm just so excited. Ugh.
Nice.
That's mean.
Damages same generator. Oh, there we go. Any of you guys want to play some? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Together. Same thing with the animation and all that. Upgrade the shit for you guys to be better. To be better about it. But Mao also dropped a bunch.
Oh, damn.
Is in the top right corner of the screen.
Oh, fuck.
I want to open the fucking door for me.
Green for queen. Erupt and grab 2 survivors. Here it is in 3. We'll do something. Hear me out. B-Gen.
Welcome back.
Oh yeah.
There's a word.
Oh, look at you, so pretty. Oh, here's some food rocks for you. Discord.
Oh, they caught me.
Hey, water.
Fuck. Just waiting on you to download the map.
I'm very aware.
Fucking Demy.
Holy shit.
Oh, holy shit, oh, never mind.
Yes, Mizuki, yes. That's what I. Fuck, dude.
Just wait till Demy.
God damn. Who's me? I'm Mr. Frogs.
Much are. Whoa.
Finish Queens, add Panda. We did Block 2. So I don't want to go like super. Oh man. Man. Damn right. Fuck. July 14th.
Know how many runs I have left before I deteriorate.
It's fine.
So now we're gonna go into this big blob.
Welcome to the spirit shelter.
We're gonna skip that wolf right now because we're only level 4. Legendary. Oh, damn. It's like $70 each. So, not doing that. Double in here and your friend Reaper if they want to play. Ow. I'm just gonna get drunk, play VR chat, and hopefully not get banned on Twitch. Damn. That one's not mine.